some 15 years ago, I had the pleasure of meeting Dean Rich Brown in the College of Engineering. I talked to him at that time about an engineering problem I was having, and from that point on, it turned into a long-time friendship. I have a great admiration and respect for Dean Brown. He's done a marvelous job with the College of Engineering, which is my second love. My name is Ed Thomas. I was born in 1933, right in the middle of the Depression, the Great Depression. The WPA was paying its workers 50 cents a day. From that beginning, my first job was at 7 years old in 1941, which paid me 35 cents a day. From there, I have kept on working and with one goal in mind, and that was success. The road to success has but one rule: never give up. Now, at this time in life, I'm 87 years old and retiring. I'm leaving a donation for a deanship to Rich Brown and the College of Engineering, and I'm confident that Rich will be able to instill in his engineers the road to success. Never give up.
Welcome, everyone, especially to those of you watching this event today. We're delighted to be here today to recognize Dean Richard Rich Brown with the inaugural H.E. Thomas Endowed Chair. Endowed chairs are an extraordinary thing. They recognize amazing accomplishments of faculty and leaders across the university. We're extraordinarily grateful to Mr. Thomas for his generosity and the long-time relationship with the University of Utah, and especially with Dean Brown. Gifts like this are transformative. They allow the dean to be able to invest in activities that enhance the excellence of the college and the university. They provide discretionary resources that allow new kinds of amazing things to happen. And I can only again say huge congratulations to Dean Brown. This is a well-deserved and indeed long overdue honor. Dean Brown has an extraordinarily illustrious career, not only at the University of Utah, but at the University of Michigan before that. And in fact, in recognition of that, he was one of the university's Rosenblatt Prize winners, which recognizes extraordinary accomplishment at the University of Utah. So this is yet another indication of the extraordinary career that Dean Brown has had as a scholar, as a teacher, and as a leader of the College of Engineering at the University of Utah, as it has continued to rise in international prominence. So a huge thank you to our benefactor, Mr. Thomas, and a huge congratulations to Dean Brown for this extraordinary honor. It's indeed a privilege to be here. And I know all of you watching join me in saying congratulations to Dean Brown for this extraordinary recognition. It's now my pleasure to introduce the president of the University of Utah, President Ruth Watkins, who will say a few additional words, and then we will bestow the medallion recognizing this endowed position to Dean Brown following her remarks. President Watkins.
All right. So, this is a great celebratory day. I'm so glad so many members of the Brown family can be here. And what an opportunity to recognize the inaugural H.E. Thomas Presidential Endowed Dean's Chair in the College of Engineering for Richard Brown. This is just a huge deal. And not only is it a wonderful investiture ceremony, it is the first one I've ever done in a pandemic. We shall also maybe hope it is our last one in the pandemic. But it is really a delight to figure out a way to celebrate this occasion with all of you, with Dean Brown, with his family. And there is no one more deserving of this recognition. We're thrilled to be able to do it. Now, I will say the first formal investiture ceremony that I remember having here was in the College of Engineering when I was serving in Dr. Reed's role. And I really want to echo our gratitude to Ed Thomas for making this possible. It's a visionary donor that helps us in this way. The recognition and the opportunity that it provides for us to thank and recognize excellence in a dean is very important to the success of the university. So thank you, Mr. Thomas, for your efforts. This is a level of trust in the university and confidence in the chairholder and in the College of Engineering at the University of Utah. Ed Thomas has a long-standing relationship with the College of Engineering, as Senior Vice President Dan Reed noted. He launched the H.E. Thomas Scholarship Endowment in 2006, which is designed to support students with financial need from his hometown of Springville, Utah. From Ed's first job driving a tractor at age 7 through a succession of business ventures, Ed built a successful construction company that led to a series of investments in commercial and industrial land development. We heard a message from Ed that said, never give up. No more powerful words can be spoken. Himself a perpetual tinker and amateur inventor, Ed progressed from bike repair to fixing cars to maintaining his collection of boats. His story reflects a lifetime of hard work, of sacrifice, and of self-reliance. As a result of his own life experiences and his interactions with the College of Engineering at the U, Ed developed a deep-seated respect and admiration for Dean Rich Brown, for engineering as a profession, and for the many contributions that engineering makes to our quality of life. In establishing this chair, Ed allows the university's College of Engineering to bring forward the next generation of engineering innovators who will make life better for all of us. He also expresses his incredible appreciation for the work of Dean Rich Brown. Dean Brown is so deserving of this recognition. He led the transformation of the College of Engineering's physical presence on our campus. He's overseen incredible growth in our students and our faculty and our research profile. He's exemplified leadership across our campus. One of the things that I personally respect and appreciate so much about Rich, and Brenda for that matter, is that he is there every time you need him. Every event, every committee, every effort that the campus is moving forward, Dean Brown is one of the people you can count on, and that matters a lot. Dean Brown has elevated engineering education in Utah, in the Pac-12, and nationally. He's established 2 degree programs on our Utah Asia campus, which we're thrilled about, and we know they are in Korea as well. Dean Brown has shown by example why the U is an international leader in commercialization and entrepreneurship through his own work, all the while serving as dean, continuing his own efforts as an entrepreneur. Internationally respected for pioneering and prolific research and innovation, Dean Brown is also beloved by students, faculty, and his peers, and as this gift shows, his many friends. Dean Brown, our warmest congratulations to you. And I think we're going to do the formal investiture, and then we let you have a moment to have the mic. So come on up. I will remask. In our pandemic protocol here, we are honored to formally invest you as the H.E. Thomas Presidential Endowed Dean of the College of Engineering with your medallion. So Senior Vice President Reed will put it on.
There we go. Congratulations.
Warmest congratulations.
Thank
I
you.
think a bit of a round of applause would be in order. Well done, Dean Brown.
Thank you, President Watkins and Senior Vice President Reed, for bestowing this tremendous honor and for your very generous words. And thank you, Ed, for making the H.E. Thomas Presidential Endowed Dean's Chair a reality. This distinction for the Dean of Engineering will have impact for me and for future generations of deans in ways that we can only imagine. In the years that I've come to know Ed, I've been impressed by his sheer determination to succeed against all odds. While he did not have the opportunity of a university education, Ed is one of those exceptional individuals who achieved success in his career just through hard work, innovation, self-reliance, and entrepreneurship. As a teen, he worked at a gas station. Then he bought the gas station and expanded it into selling cars. Next, he became involved with a large concrete project and ended up owning the cement ready-mix operation. That led to him starting his own construction company, and after that, investing in land development. In an effort to make the path to success easier for others, he is committed to providing educational opportunities for the rising generation. I deeply appreciate the honor that my friend Ed Thomas has brought to me and to the College of Engineering through endowing the deanship. Ed is an engineer at heart, a builder, an inventor, and a problem solver. When we met, he immediately made a connection as we shared his ideas for improving the efficiency of ships, and I saw his passion for improving people's quality of life. In accepting the Endowed chair, I feel a profound sense of responsibility to live up to its intention to advance engineering excellence at the University of Utah. When I arrived at the university in 2004, I could see that the college was on the cusp of becoming a major engineering school, and we set as a vision to bring the quality of teaching, research, and service in the College of Engineering to a level comparable to that of the best engineering schools in the world. But I could not have foreseen the role the college would play in creating the economic tidal wave that would end up transforming not just the college, but the entire state. After years of being a net exporter of engineering talent and innovation, Utah was about to emerge as America's Silicon Slopes, with the fastest growing tech economy in the nation, ranked number one in the percentage of growth in technology jobs, new job creation, and overall economic dynamism. Leading Utah's flagship engineering program through this era has been both exhilarating and challenging, but a close partnership with visionary state and university leaders and generous private companies and individuals has made the journey more fulfilling than I could have ever imagined. The College of Engineering has been steadily improving the metrics upon which engineering colleges are evaluated. According to faculty activity reports, the number of our peer-reviewed publications has gone from 398 in 2004 to 1,222 last year. As engineering enrollment has grown to a head count of 6,000, and the college has doubled the number of graduates to more than 1,100 per year, the quality of our students has continued to rise, as indicated by a full 3-point increase in average ACT scores for the undergrads and GRE scores for graduate students that rival those of the highest-ranked schools. In addition to workforce development, our faculty and students are fueling the economy with world-class research. Last year, externally funded engineering expenditures at the U topped $97 million, and invention disclosures by engineering faculty came in at 60, second only to the College of Medicine's 83. More important than the numbers is the determination and creativity of our faculty as they address the world's pressing technical, environmental, and medical challenges. Never has the research been more relevant than in the past 9 months, when more than a dozen of our faculty have pivoted their focus to detection, transmission, and prevention of the COVID-19 coronavirus. While I could not have imagined everything that has happened, I am proud of the college and proud of the role our faculty and students continue to play in fueling Utah's economy. If there is a tidal wave of economic dynamism, the College of Engineering helped to create it. I'm grateful to all of the board members, legislators, university administrators, industry leaders, alumni, and friends who have contributed to our success. Given all that is going on in the world, now is not the time to slow down. And finally, let me again thank my friend Ed Thomas for his trust and generosity. Your foundational gift, Ed, will help ensure the financial vitality of the College of Engineering and preserve and advance the tradition of its excellence in perpetuity. We will prepare our students for successful careers and lives with a solid education in the real world of engineering, and we will strive to help them follow your example of never giving up. Thank you.